Hello everyone, this is Delay, it's Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you some Tibetan applications that I will use in my daily life. With the applications development of the Tibetan language, it really plays a great role for us Tibetans, especially for students like me. We will use a lot of applications. And next, I will show you in my video. Every morning, I check the Tibetan calendar of the day, and I often use this app called Drukpa Lunar Calendar, which shows the good days and bad days, as well as the most important days, such as the anniversary of Sakyamuni Buddha and etc. And today it shows it is Sapimba, it's Saturday, and it told us that avoid steering war or litigation. And I also like some of the above quotes, like today's sentence, look into your heart, follow your nature, by the Buddha. After checking the Tibetan calendar, I will recite the sutras, I have followed a public account on the WeChat software, and then I will recite the sutras according to the scriptures on it, so that my days starts. There is a saying that it is never too old to learn, so I spent a little time to study every day. Because when I was in college, I majored in the English and Tibetan translation major, so I often use this app, this translation application. During the homework in my college, it really helped me a lot. And now I graduated, and I usually use this translation application in my daily life. And now I can show you how to use this. Like, welcome to Tibet, right? And then translate. So it is really work in daily life. Lately, I literally fell in love with meditation because, in Lhasa, Tibet, China, it is still in the silent management state, so I can only be at home, cannot go out. So, we should be a good attitude. It is very important to be positive. And during the meditation, I use this app called Buddhist meditation, because this application's music brings me a peace of my mind, so I like it. In addition, I will also listen to Tibetan music every day, and I will learn it because during the New Year, we all sing at friends or families' parties. And I often use this app called Yunze in Tibetan language, which is, you can understand that it is a Tibetan version of Google. And there is a wide variety of types, including videos and music. So I like it because I can learn more Tibetan songs. Sometimes I will play games in my spare time. In addition, the game, dice game show that I shared with you last time, I also like this game. It's called Tibetan Mo, and it is such a Tibetan learning game, and I think it is also very interesting. There are many options, and you can choose one of your favorite one. And choose one. There are also many types like alphabet, numbers, gradings, and you can choose what you like. And in my opinion, I think this application not only can consolidate your Tibetan knowledge and also can entertain. And now I'm going to play this game, Gradings. This is one of my favorites. Okay, there is also many options you can choose, and I will choose the first one, practice the beginner basics. Maybe I'm not the beginner, but I like because I can win and win and win. There are many beginners basics like the alphabets and the color marble, it means red. That purple, it means the Thursday, and a lot of Tibetan basics knowledge. Start, wait a minute. Okay, instruction. Click to select and click again to unselect. Find each of the pairs that are equal. Okay, I got it.
This is your assignment.
Okay, the above is the Tibetan applications that I often use in my daily life. And in addition to the above applications, there are also other applications such as the Tibetan input method application, driving license in Tibetan language application. Indeed, the development of the applications that in the Tibetan language, which brought us Tibetans a lot of convenience, and also brought help to our friends who like to learn Tibetan language, right? So, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.